Logic ERP Garment Software Number 1 ERP software for retail, distribution and manufacturing industry. The garment industry is evolving rapidly, creating both challenges and opportunities. To stay competitive, businesses must adapt with industry-specific ERP software. Logic ERP Garment Software for retail, distribution and manufacturing industry. Explore its top features. Procurement. Generate purchase orders from sale orders. Track orders and vendor communication. Automatic stock refilling orders. Customizable quality checks for goods. Auto debit notes for rejected goods. Approve vendor payments with multiple levels. Order processing. Create orders via Excel and API. Generate sale orders from retail stores POS. Create purchase orders from sale orders. Use advanced filters to create orders. Multi-level validation for sale orders. Reserve stock and create pick lists for packing. Warehouse management. Define branches, godowns, racks, and bins. Use product and bin dimensions. Allocate bins by product category. Automatically assign stock based on capacity. Use RFID and mobile apps for verification. Generate pick lists and integrate with WMS solutions. Production. Support for batch, discrete and make-to-order. Manage scheduling and load balancing. Material planning and multi-level BOM. Test materials and finished goods. Track wastage and calculate costing. Tech pack features and progress analysis. Supply chain management. Multi-warehouse management. Prioritize store stock refills. Refill based on product categories. Track purchases and pricing. Manage sales and returns with invoicing. Manage pricing and raw material costs. Payroll. Digital record storage. Custom periods and salary types. Manage attendance and leave. Set pay modes and deductions. Track overtime and loan deductions. Generate reports and manage taxes. Accounts and finance. P&L, balance sheet, general ledger. Multi-branch, multi-currency support. Budgeting with cost centers. Auto GST and TDS posting. Reconciliation, checks, petty cash. Approvals, audit trail, custom reports. MIS reporting. 400 plus reports with filters and views. Export reports to Excel in seconds. Analyze reports across financial years. Instantly analyze large datasets. Control data access by user roles. Schedule reports and access via mobile. Point of sale. Advanced, multi-view POS system. Touch and mobile-based POS. Custom schemes and offers. Supports multiple payment methods. Aaptak app for orders and delivery. Expiry alerts and shift system. CRM, loyalty management. Points accrual and redemption. Customer management across all sales channels. Brand category-based loyalty packages. Birthday offers, coupons, and vouchers. Secure points and coupon use via OTP. Instant POS feedback and digital bills. B2B. Cloud and offline solutions. Agents customers place orders. Real-time stock check. Log payments and view ledgers. Field agent tracking via Google Maps. Customer-specific price lists. Inventory management software. Handles various units and custom barcodes. Tracks expired and damaged stock. Bin rack storage with capacity control. FIFO, LIFO, weighted average, etc. Tracks goods in transit across locations. Analyzes material, ingredient, and product costs. E-commerce management. Share item data and stock with B2C platforms. Auto-receive and reserve stock for orders. Use pick lists and mobile apps for packing. Manage promotions for B2C orders. Share order and shipping info with platforms. Manage receivables and commissions. Promotion campaign management. Targeted promotions by brand, category, and period. Store-specific discount options. Coupons, vouchers, and cards. Accrual, redemption, and discounts. Birthday anniversary offers. Performance analysis. Why is Logic ERP the perfect fit for your garment business? 30 plus years of ERP excellence. 200 plus experienced ERP experts. Easy personalization and deployment. Personalized training and support. Fast and easy implementation. Digital-ready ERP with third-party plugins and API. Leading garment brands achieving excellence with Logic ERP. Book your live ERP demo. Call us at +9 17341141176. Send your inquiries to sales@logicerp.com. Get Logic ERP software today.